Poa, bye.
Oh, bye. Safe journey.
Safe journey. Okay, guys, this is so unfortunate. These are my legs. Like at some point while I was running. Guys, we are boarding finally. We made it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is damarisnjengayt and I'm coming to you this ratchet because I am getting ready to go to the airport and leave. My location here in Mombasa, I've had such a really good time and the stay was so small, and I just figured out I didn't show you my living space. I'm going to show you that in a little while. Just have a small snippet and an idea. I'll give you the charges as we go out, so let me do that. I've already called the Uber guy actually, so let's first do that. So when you come in, this is what you'll find first. Then we have a room here. I'm just showing people where they can come and stay. That's okay. Then you have the public like washroom, and there's someone here getting ready. Say hi, wave.
Hi.
Yeah.
Just
last minute airport.
Rush,
yeah. Hey, no, cause how do you not kupaka eye pencil? You're playing a pencil in the rush minute.
I know, right?
Look at me, guys.
And I did it almost accurate, so.
Okay, I'll do it in the Uber. Honestly. We have a sitting room here where actually we didn't spend most of our times because we were spending it outside. And we have like a long window. The decor is awesome. Can't focus. Can't focus. Do you know how late we are? There. Okay, let me also try see and show you the lighting we have outside the view. Nothing major, but outside here I'll put a photo where you can see how you can see a beautiful view during the day. From there we have our dining table where we always took our breakfast. We have our luggage waiting for us there. And the next place after our dining room is our kitchen where we had all the facilities. I'm going to link in the description this place. You can book it on booking.com. We have our living area. Now our kitchen where we would wash our utensils there. We would cook from here. And definitely all the facilities that you need. All like no one's business. All my toasted bread, you know. And good decor, as you can see. Enough space, as you can see. Yeah, basically sufficient space. That we have our washing area. We had a washing machine if you wanted to wash your clothes, and yeah, just let them relax there for a few minutes. And let me show you our room before we go, hoping nobody has checked in. Kuna mtu? It's okay. So because we are checking out, they're already like preparing for someone else to come. Here, this is where we were sleeping, and we had the best windows. I loved. I hope you enjoyed my morning routine vacation. This is where I shot it from. Then we had our bathroom. Like, guys, forgive me, I'm doing this last minute so I can give you like an idea where you can come and spend. And yeah, we had a sink, washroom, just the normal things. But I like this. You need this when you come to coast. Being honest. Because the water here is so salty, you need this. It's a good body wash. And shower. Of course, Mombasa, you don't even need hot water. And basically, that's it.
My phone is at 20%, so maybe I think I'll even check my WhatsApp tomorrow.
No, we can borrow a charger at the Uber guy.
Oh, yeah. No, we can check the phone from my laptop.
Okay, fine.
Have you checked in?
No, we'll check in when we'll just buy bundles if we need to check in before, like, so that suppose we get late. But we're still on time.
How long before your Uber arrives?
It's already here. I'm waiting for her, actually.
Yeah. I hope I've not forgotten anything, but just in case this lesson.
Say bye to my vlog people. Yeah. It's bad to leave. We had the best host. She's the best host ever.
Say hi.
Best hospitality.
Bye. Oh, I'm sad. I'm sad I have to leave. Bye. But we surely will be back again.
We will be back. Yeah.
Sometimes you can just call you if you're coming to post. You ask
yeah.
the room somewhere.
Yes, we have your number.
Yeah.
And also referring people to your place.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because you had a good stay.
Nairobi, maybe end of the month.
Yeah. Let us know.
Yeah.
Sawa. Yeah. Poa, bye.
Oh, bye. Safe journey.
Safe journey. Kwaheri. See you. Oh, it's sad to say bye.
You have your ID?
Yes, my ID is always on my phone. My small purse, oh my god, if I left it. No. But I think I have it.
Confirm.
Let me confirm. I'm here editing and I figured out you're not going to understand the next story. So let me fill you up we started getting late going to the airport, and it was crazy. And now you can see how crazy the whole journey to get to the airport got. Like it turned from 0 to 100. Enjoy. My dear, we made it.
We've not made it.
Until you get the thing. Okay, guys, this is so unfortunate. Guys, we are boarding finally. We made it. Naomi's like, I'm just crazy. I'm vlogging, but yeah. Hope you. Here we go. The story of my life. Yeah. If I show you my legs right now, and in a plane, crazy. Like we've run, we've walked, we've boda. We almost took at some point. Yeah, but thank God you're here. These are my legs. Like at some point while I was running, I got my... This is crazy. It should actually be the thumbnail. I had not like put light and see how crazy this is, but this is my current situation. I was running, it was muddy, it rained, as you'll see a rainy day, and so there was traffic like crazy. It was mad, so I just jumped in water and everything. Yeah, so crazy. But I'm happy we made it through. I'm sweating, like I ran all the way, like everywhere, so I'm just so happy.
Now ready for takeoff. We thank you for choosing to fly with FLY540. Have a pleasant flight.
Yani, we did it. Got updated that it's cloudy out there, and they're not sure if you're going to land, but they'll tell us an update of how far it is. That's crazy. It makes our travel back to Nairobi more adventurous. Like, we are hoping the same way we were like hoping we're gonna catch the flight, and now we are hoping you're gonna land. So we might be going back to Mombasa, guys. Anyway, yeah. So let's hope and be positive, and hope you're gonna land safely.
Temperatures on ground reported at 19 degrees Celsius. So I hope that you may enjoy flying with us this evening. Wish you again a good evening.
So we are Terminal 2. We've been taken to Terminal 1, where we'll take an... So guys, we arrived safely, and before you start judging me, I don't keep time, I'm Kenyan and everything. This is what happened. We left our like place where we were staying at Nyali in like 2 hours before our flight. Now once we like took the Uber guy was like, yeah, as much as we've like driven, it was like 40 minutes away, so we knew we are still on time. After after we got to the Uber guy, there was traffic. We drove for like 15 minutes and then there was like traffic from there. And we got, after driving, we got to where like the traffic stuck. So what did we do? We tried to get boda. There was no motorbike, so we ended up trying to walk. And as I was trying to walk, it's when now I got my legs and my feet in some dirty water. It spilled on me all over. My shoes are wet right now as we talk. And yeah, basically that's what happened. So I'm here waiting. After that, finally got a boda that took us to the place. Yeah, I'm waiting for my pickup. Then we leave the airport and head home. And I think I'm just going to end this video here. Just taking Uber back home. And thank you so much for watching. I'm glad I hope you enjoyed this video. Also subscribe to my channel and check that lady out to subscribe to her channel as well.